Okay, so this is a test video of the, crap, what is this? Ooh, of this. The HD Everio GZ-HM50. Just gonna upload this onto YouTube and see how good it is. So that model, whatever. Yep. Okay, so here we go.
Teacher, I saw it.
This outside.
I'm testing this out. Aaron.
Did you do the yawn?
Aaron, say hi.
Haley?
Stop.
Did you do the yawn?
There's one vehicle we mark looking for. School bus.
Haley? Did you do the yawn move in the theater?
Me too. You know what?
Kayla, whatever you need me for, I'm ready. Mom, 3 are waiting for you.
3?
What is feeling right now will pass. And when it does, like all the others,
And you still need to have names.
and then you will really feel.
I don't believe you know. I don't believe you know what this feels like.
Say hi.
Did. You would not be here.
Strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. But since I came here, felt the joy and love feel, finding myself making every possible mistake.